Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a backup and restore in SQL database. It's a straightforward process, and I will guide you through it step by step. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to check out my quick intro video to learn more about what this channel is all about. Welcome to Codev Tips, your ultimate destination for programming tutorials and all things code related. If you're passionate about learning to code or improving your programming skills, you're in the right place. But before we dive into today's programming tutorial, I'd like to invite you to become a part of our growing community. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of programming knowledge and stay updated with the latest tutorials we release. So, go ahead and subscribe now, and let's get coding. Let's start. First, I will show you how to manually create an SQL database backup. Log in to SQL Management Studio. In the Object Explorer, expand the databases, then locate and right-click on the database you want to backup. Click on Tasks, then select Backup. A new window will pop up. Go to General tab. Under Source, in the Database dropdown, make sure the correct database is selected. In the Backup Type dropdown, select Full. Under the Destination section, in the Backup to dropdown, select Disk. If there is an old backup listed, click Remove. Then click Add button to create new backup. Click the button with 3 dots. A new window will pop up. Now, select the folder where you want to save your backup. In my case, I will save it to the C backup folder. At the bottom, enter your desired name for the backup file, and don't forget to add .back at the end. Once you're done, click OK. Then click OK again. Next, go to the Media Options tab. You can leave all settings at their default values. Then, go to the Backup Options tab and leave all settings at their default values as well. Once everything is set, click OK to start the backup process. Just wait for the backup process to finish. The time it takes will depend on the size of your database. The larger the database, the longer the backup will take. When the process is done, click OK. Next, open the folder where you saved the backup to ensure the file was created successfully. As you can see, we have successfully created a backup of the database. Next, I will show you how to backup a database using either stored procedure or a script, the fast and easy way. If you're not yet familiar with what an SQL stored procedure is, let me explain it to you. An SQL stored procedure is a pre-written set of SQL commands that are saved in the database. You can run, or call, it whenever you need, instead of writing the same SQL code repeatedly. To help you understand better, I will show you how it works. First, delete the backup file we previously created. This time, we will create a new one using a stored procedure. Go back to SQL Management Studio. Under your database name, you'll find a folder called Stored Procedures. As you can see, I already have one stored procedure here, named Backup Database. To call or run the stored procedure, here's what you need to do. Open a new query window, then type the following. Exec backup database, space, 2 single quotation. What you write inside the single quotation marks is the file path where you want to save your backup. In my case, I'll save it in the same location as before, drive C, inside the backup folder. Next, copy the file location and paste it inside the quotation marks. Note: make sure to add 1 backslash at the end of the file path. Once you're done, let's go ahead and execute the script. As you can see in the result, the database backup was successfully processed. Now, go back to the folder where you chose to save the backup. As you can see, the backup file has been successfully created again, this time, using a script, which is one of the easiest and fastest methods. Do you want to learn how to create a stored procedure to back up your database and understand how it works? Make sure to finish this video until the end, because I will guide you through it step by step. Now, I'll show you the script to automatically back up the database. Here's the script. As you can see, it's simple and very easy to follow. Feel free to pause the video so you can copy it. I've added comments on each line of code to help you understand what each part does. Make sure to update the details based on your preference, like the database name, and the file location where you want to save the backup. Once you're done, change Alter to Create if the stored procedure has not been created yet, but if it already exists, keep it as Alter, so you can update your script. You can modify or update your script anytime you want, depending on your needs. Once everything is set up, execute the script to create the stored procedure. After it's created, go ahead and run it, just like how I called the stored procedure earlier. Once the script finishes executing, check your backup folder to verify if the backup file was successfully created. And we're done. I hope you were able to follow along and do it successfully. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you'll stay updated with my upcoming coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next videos.